Daily use of English sentences. 1. What's the weather like? 2. What is going on? 3. I play chess. 4. He runs every weekend. 5. Windows are made of glass. 6. California is in America. 7. He plays cricket. 8. I got duped by him. 9. It was not my fault. 10. I cannot wait. 11. He is not at home. 12. I am awfully hungry. 13. Not at all, I'll think over this matter. 14. Should I leave or stay? 15. Don't argue with me. 16. That's all. 17. Don't try my patience. 18. You will make me mad. 19. I woke up late this mo. 20. Who is knocking at the door? 21. Take rest here tonight. 22. We will reach there on time. 23. How do I tell you like? 24. Don't boost your wealth. 25. I had a sound sleep last night. 26. This medicine is very bitter.